All right. Let's get right to it. Home workout, no weights needed. All we using is a resistant band. Let's go. We're going to go right in the front and side shoulder raises. This just to get that blood flowing, get that blood pumping. It's a good exercise for your chest, your back, also your forearms, and also getting that grip nice and tight. If you want to grip them weights tight, and for a little more intensity, hold at the top. 1, 2, 1, 2. Hold at the top. 1, 2. Hold at the top. 1, 2. Hold it for 2 seconds for that extra intensity. Next, we going right into squats, man. Part of my gimbal, it just wouldn't stay locked. It just kept trying to follow me. I'm trying to do squats, and my gimbal just keep following me up and down. But yeah, these is pretty good too with the resistant bands. Add that little extra resistance. Then we gonna go right into the lunges with the resistant band. Make sure you holding that resistant band nice and tight up near your shoulders, and you just keep it locked right there. And you just gonna do that lunge. Other leg, make sure you're in a good position, because what the resistant band gonna do is gonna pull you back down when you lunge up. It's gonna pull you right down. So it's a good workout for a lunge with the resistant band. Next, we going to the tricep kickback, man. Notice you don't gotta go super hard. You don't gotta have your arm super straight. Just a slight bend, and you just pulling back. Just gonna pull it back. That's all. Pull it back. Then we're gonna switch sides. You're gonna same thing. Just pull it back. We ain't doing too much. You don't gotta go super fast. It's more about technique than it is about speed. I say all the time, your technique is better than finishing the workout fast. You wanna go nice, slow, steady. Make sure you're getting a nice stretch on that muscle. Next, we're gonna go to upright rows. These are one of my favorite exercises for that chest and that back, and also that collarbone. So this is a good exercise, and like I said, for that extra intensity for people who are not beginners and more intermediate, squeeze at the top. Hold it for a couple seconds when you're at the top. 1, 2. 1, 2. Yep. Next, bicep curls. You already know this is an easy one. Everybody love these. Bicep curls. And once again, for my intermediate folks out there, make sure you squeezing at the top, and you don't want to never go lower than your waist. That's a good rule of thumb. Switch to the other side. You see how I'm right there at the waist? Wrist hit waist, back up. Wrist hit waist, back up. Because that adds a little extra tension on top of it and keep that muscle working. Thanks for watching, and for more fitness tips, make sure you follow in the page and subscribe to the channel.